Hello everybody, my name is Emre and welcome to one new video. Today I wanna show you how you can make a roasted tomato soup at home. So guys, I am starting with heat my baking tray, adding some vegetable oil on it. After then I am cutting 2 red onions. They are more sweet and more flavorful. So now my baking tray is already hot. I'm adding the red onions inside, chopping 2 cloves of garlic, garlic in, so now the tomatoes I'm gonna clean. Just take the middle, cut it to half, place it to the tray. Now turn them once, flip them over. And now a tablespoon of tomato paste for extra sweetness. Some bay leaf, cayenne, and the cream. When it starts to boil, I'm gonna put to the oven for 200 degrees half hour. And now when you take it out, add little bit of balsamic vinegar and then blend it. So at last, season it pinch of salt and pinch of sugar. How you see, all the skin is on it. So I'm gonna serve it in one bowl. With some fresh chives on the top. Extra virgin olive oil. And our homemade bread from the breakfast. If you wanna know how to make a fresh bread at home, I have already one video. I will put the link up. You can click there and see the video. So guys, thanks for watching. This was my roasted tomato soup. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon in next video. Goodbye.